Ladies and gents, welcome back. Another beautiful day out here. And I just got in the new seat for the TRX, or it's the 4Trax 250 that we picked up, the freebie that we've been fixing up. So yeah, let's check this bad boy out. I've never ordered a complete seat kit like this. So here she is. It's made by Saddlemen. And if you remember, this we had the seat pan, but this was all that was left of the seat. It was totally gone, deteriorated. So I needed the foam as well, and I tried to find a used one, but my goodness, they were more than a brand new ski from Saddlemen. So for $100, this is seat foam and a cover, which, like I said, it was cheaper than a used beat up one that I would have to recover anyways. So I figured we'll give it a shot for $100. But I think it looks pretty nice. It fits about perfect right into the pan there. Check this out. Bingo bango. Yeah, really great fitment so far, but we need to bust out the air stapler and we'll try to staple her up and see what she looks like when she's together. Of course, the boys are out here helping. Uno, what are you doing, dude? You chasing reflections? Thor's chilling. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Alright, so if you don't have one of these bad boys, go down to Harbor Freight and get yourself one. It's probably under $30 because, well, it's Harbor Freight and everything's under $30. Oh my goodness, would you just look at her on there? It's the nicest part of the whole darn machine. Little Honda graveyard back here. So that wasn't too bad. Didn't take very long, and I am pretty happy with the way she turned out. I gave it a little wipe down because it did get a little dirty when I was wrestling with it. But for $100, you know, don't really see how you could do anything better. And the quality of the seat looks really good. It's nice and thick. The foam's really nice. It's got a nice little logo stitched in there. The stitching looks really great. So yeah, for $100, awesome. All right, guys, so that Saddlemen saddle, great value for $100. Like I said, I looked around and I tried to find a used seat. All of them were more than that for like old beat up crappy ones. So for $100, you get seat foam and a cover, which the covers are always at least 20 bucks. That was with shipping too, so can't go wrong with the seat cover for the quad there, $100. Pretty easy install. I didn't show in the video, but a little trick that I like to use with the seat covers is take your wife's blow dryer and get them a little bit warm. It helps stretch them out, but really straightforward. As always, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe while you're here. We do all kinds of fun stuff, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next one.